Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Me and my friend here, Lewis, we're about to change the yeah, see he doing that shit.
That vibe.
We're about to change the rims on my car.
So 1 o'clock, you know?
Anyways, this person texted me about some wireless headphones. Yeah, so we're about to change the rims on the car right now. We actually got the car started, which is right here. We're about to put some new rims on the car. So these right here are the rims that we're about to use. So we're gonna put these rims on the car. I think there's some 10-inch wide rims or whatever. Those are for sale. Yeah, but we got some 10-inch wide rims that we need to put up on the car right now. Probably this Friday or next week I'm gonna buy some tires for the front ones and put them on there. Yeah, so these right now are currently 285 30 20. I'm gonna be putting on there. It's them right there. And these ones too. Just gonna test fit them on the back and see how they work. See if I need to adjust those coilovers at all. Yeah. What? Pull it. Oh, the right's up on the front there. All right. Time lapse. All right. Yeah, screw it. I can't find the damn time lapse on my video, on my camera. So let's just do this the old-fashioned way. Take it down already? The blast it flies on the reach them, the electric reach them. No matter how. Can't find a charge last one. Alright, so we finally got the rims tested on the Lexus. Near from these on the back, I really need to sell these, some heart racing 2-piece rims. I need to sell those. And now we're here doing a test with my friend Tariq. Look at that shit. That shit fits perfectly. Those are 285s and these are 275s. So yeah, they're fitting perfectly under. I just need to do the ones for the front now. And then that's it. Those fit perfectly. Yeah, of course. So we'll put the next ones on the front probably on Friday. That's what the rims look like. These are 20s, by the way, by 10.5 on the back, 8 point. No, I think it's 10 or 10.5 on the back, by whatever on the front. Let me know if y'all think that I should change the color on the rims, because I'm thinking to just put it back in a gunmetal gray or something. I don't know if I'm really digging the gold, that type of gold on here. But yeah, this car here has been started up for a long while. I was just showing my friend Tariq that I got the yeah, those are 285. Yeah, I got this full adjustable what's it, toe arm underneath here. I need to go get this car aligned and stuff. I think I'm gonna get some spiky spokes on there too. Yeah, get the spokes that come out on here. But yeah. All right, so update. This is the car as it sits right now. I'm gonna go test it on the road and see how exactly that part works. So I got the Aristo fenders on here, Aristo front bumper, and these shits. Yeah, so it's all completed up. I did a little thing here. I gotta go rub these off so they could look better. I mean, they look good. And I gotta put the caps on there too. And then that's how the back sits right here. The back sits perfectly actually. Then this one, I should probably just leave this in a different color and respray the rest of the car. But yeah, that's how it looks right now. That's how it sits. Let me turn those lights on. See what's going on here. Hold up. And then those are with the headlights on. I gotta change these ones. The high beam one and the low beam one. I just put some LED HIDs in the bottom ones right here. Yeah, so that's what I gotta do. Oh, that fan just came on. So yeah, it's getting there piece by piece. I gotta tuck these wires. These wires are for the sides right here. I have the Aristo one coming in, and this one also. I think I gotta get some clips for this to make it fit tighter in there. But yeah, that's about it. These are the new rims on the car. I got old rim right there. Old, well, not old rim because they go on the next Lexus today or probably Friday morning. Yes, I'm gonna go on the road, go test this shit right now and see how it fits and everything. Yeah, but the car is looking damn good already. I like it.